Hello, Kostas Albanidis, and I'm gonna show you in this short video how we can use HumanPal. Let me uh, open HumanPal here. I'm gonna show you how I can create a video promoting any kind of opportunity. I'm gonna show you. You see, now we got HumanPal AI version 2, and it's really much better than version 1. It's involved, and it has everything you need to create amazing videos. You're gonna see the new style avatars that they are so realistic. Okay, I'm gonna show you now how easily I can create a video. Just moving on, let's try this one. I'm gonna just leave it like landscape here. Next, I'm gonna select the way that the captions are gonna show. I'm gonna leave it like fade in, and I'm gonna move over here and select the avatar that it's gonna showcase my opportunity. Okay, let's try and select I always like this lady Amanda here, but I'm gonna select something else just to see the new style and the new avatars, and see what else it can be done here. Okay, because I even enjoy Esther. She looks nice with a nice outfit, and over here with the formal one. You see that we have even the kids over here, and this new lady Freya walking. It's number 2 version, and here you're gonna see we got so many new avatars here. I can use Isabella here, but I would prefer for this opportunity, as you can understand, I'm going for the lady. So let's try and select one of the new one. You see, there are so many at the moment. Polpona added so many new avatars here, and it's really confusing. You don't know what to choose over here. Anyway, I'm gonna select Scarlet over here. So, boom, let's go on with Scarlet, the new avatar here, because there are so many here, and I really am confused. I'm gonna, it's you pay once this program, and you have it for unlimited use. So it doesn't matter if you're confused and you don't know which one you're gonna use, because you can even try the next avatars to the new video. Let's select this one and move on. I'm gonna go on here, and here I'm gonna be able to select the lip sync mouth movement. I can select extreme, medium, low. I can select extreme here to see what's gonna happen. We have the new voices here too, and we can select one lady. Okay, let's try and select this lady and try.
Hello, you can pick me as your spokesperson for your next project. I can convey your message with a realistic voice filled with emotions that can captivate any audience.
Yeah, Brooke sounds.
Hello. You can pick me as your spokesperson for your next project.
Hello, you can pick me as your
Hello. You can pick me as your spokesperson for your next project. I can convey your message with a realistic voice filled with emotions that can captivate any audience.
Great, Genevieve sounds amazing. Let's paste here our script. Okay, I got my script here, and I just paste it straight away. I'm gonna put just a sound to be like a sound carpet, and build something like that. Let me see. See, it sounds nice. It's gonna just play to the background, and we are done here. Let's go on. Here you're gonna see that I have the ability to change how this script is gonna show, but I have already asked the AI, and in fact just GPT to create the scenes in 100 sentences, each one of them, so it looks really nice. Let's move on. Go to the next. Here I always enjoy having my letters to be yellow. Let me show you. I can easily just select what kind of color I want for my letters, and the box color to be black. And here I'm gonna select one logo. You have enough here from all those things that I have uploaded, and I can just find one of my logos here. I think it's over here. Okay, I'm gonna select it, and I am done here. I move on. I click just next. You see, just steps, one step at a time, and you just move on and you create easily and fast any kind of video. So now I got my avatar, I got everything. I have my scenes here. I can move one over here or anything. I can select the emotion to make the lady laugh or whatever I want. Okay, so I can even move the avatar to each one of those scenes. I'm not gonna change anything. I just want to have a background of this opportunity that I'm promoting. Okay, so let's grab a screenshot from this opportunity and just put it behind my this amazing scene. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, we got our screenshot. Let's select the screenshot, and I'm gonna just upload the screenshot over here, and you're gonna see that I'm gonna be able to add it as a background. I can change the background to each scene of them. Okay, but I'm gonna just select this background media for this one, and just to make it faster and simpler, I'm gonna say apply to all. Okay, so I'm gonna have the same background to all of those scenes. You see, it looks really interesting. Let's go on. Now I'm gonna just click next, and over here I'm gonna write the name of this program that I want to promote, and so it's clips made 2. I'm gonna select to have the video to 720p. I have read and agreed to the terms of the service. Okay, and create the video, and boom, that's all. You see, now the video is being created. You see that you can even create VSL videos or any kind of videos using the avatar. As you can see here, I use the avatar. Let me show you one of those interesting videos. You see here, I have the avatar.
Want to make videos and slides that grab attention?
She looks great, and I can even use just the captions like that. Let me show you here. You see?
Ever wish you could build an app without coding or
You can create just the captions, and you don't have to use the avatar, and you just have the captions showing straight to your videos and presenting the opportunities or anything else that you want to promote. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm gonna wait for a while just to finish the video and show you the result of this video that I'm creating. It's gonna take about 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah, okay, it says here that it's gonna take about 8 to 40 minutes, but in fact usually at about 7 to 8 minutes everything is ready. Give me a moment and I will show you what's gonna be the result. Okay, let me show you the result of the video that we created together. Okay, let me show you here.
Struggling to create viral short videos for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube without editing skills? This amazing tool turns any long video into dozens of high-converting shorts in just minutes. Clipsmate AI finds your best moments and edits them automatically with captions and effects.
You see,
No
it looks
need to hire editors or
it
spend
looks
hours
great.
trying to figure out what parts to cut and post. Marketers, coaches, and
And the
content
lady
creators
looks
are getting
really,
crazy
really
views using
interesting.
this secret tool. Even beginners with zero experience are making videos that go viral in a few clicks. You upload a long video.
Okay, you know, I would always prefer the avatars that they look straight in the eyes and they are more enthusiastic. I can add this kind of emotions to all these avatars while I create the video, but we're gonna see that to a next video. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hope that you just realized what exactly HumanPal is and how you can easily create any kind of video, VSL video, or any kind of those sales video or opportunity presentation videos. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.